Have you ever heard of how you can make quick money with small price differences? No? Then this video is just right for you. Today we're talking about tactical arbitrage, an exciting trading strategy that anyone can use to profit from market inefficiencies. Imagine if you could buy the same stock on two different exchanges and sell it at the same time and make a profit. Sounds too good to be true? With tactical arbitrage, it is possible. As investors, we know the problem. Markets are volatile and it is difficult to make consistent profits. But tactical arbitrage offers an alternative. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about tactical arbitrage. What is tactical arbitrage? How does the strategy work? What are the advantages and disadvantages? How can you use tactical arbitrage yourself? So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any more videos. In the next episodes, we will go into the individual points in detail and show you specific examples. Tactical arbitrage, the chance for everyone to profit from the markets. Be there. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive right in. What exactly is tactical arbitrage? Simply put, tactical arbitrage is a method used by investors to find profitable discrepancies in the market. It's a technique that involves buying products at a lower price in one market and then selling them at a higher price in another. Essentially, it's all about spotting and exploiting price differences across different markets. The concept behind tactical arbitrage is as simple as buy low, sell high, but it's not as easy as it sounds. It requires a keen eye for detail, a good understanding of the market, and the right tools. The aim is to capitalize on inefficiencies in the market, a task which requires strategy, planning, and a bit of luck. So in a nutshell, that's what tactical arbitrage is all about. It's a way to make money by taking advantage of price differences in different markets. In the following scenes, we will delve into the specifics of how to use this strategy effectively. Stay tuned. Having understood what tactical arbitrage is, it's time to explore the mechanics behind it. The strategy of tactical arbitrage revolves around the concept of arbitrage, the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between two or more markets. To start, you'll need to identify two markets where a particular product is priced differently. This could be two different online platforms, two different stores, or even two different countries. The key is to find a product that you can purchase at a lower cost in one market and sell it for a higher price in another. Next, it's all about timing. You need to buy at the right time and sell at the right time. That's where your understanding of the markets comes into play. You'll need to monitor the markets closely and make your move when the time is right. Lastly, remember that patience is key. Tactical arbitrage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort, careful planning, and a good deal of patience. But if you play your cards right, the rewards can be significant. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can use tactical arbitrage to your advantage. Up next, we'll delve into the tools and resources you'll need to succeed. So don't go away. So why should you consider using tactical arbitrage? Let's talk about the advantages. First, it can be a great way to profit from market inefficiencies. By being alert and proactive, you can seize opportunities that others may overlook. Second, it's a flexible strategy. You can do it part-time or full-time, depending on your schedule and commitment. Third, it can be a source of passive income. Once you've set up your arbitrage operations, they can generate profits with minimal intervention. Let's look at some real-world examples. Meet John, a college student who started arbitrage as a side gig. He managed to pay off his student loans within a year. And then there's Lisa, a stay-at-home mom who turned arbitrage into a full-time job. She now earns more than she did in her previous corporate job. As you can see, tactical arbitrage can be a powerful tool. It's about understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and making smart decisions. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the tools and resources you'll need to succeed in the next scene. However, like any strategy, tactical arbitrage is not without its downsides. Let's take a moment to discuss them. First off, there's a risk involved. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, and if you're not quick to act, you could end up making a loss. Secondly, it can be time-consuming. Hunting for profitable opportunities requires patience and a keen eye for detail. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a methodical process. Let's consider a few real-world examples. Meet Alex, a newbie who jumped into tactical arbitrage without proper research. He ended up buying inventory that he couldn't sell, resulting in a significant loss. Then there's Sarah, a part-timer who struggled to balance her regular job with her arbitrage operations. She found it stressful and eventually decided it wasn't worth her time. So, while tactical arbitrage can be rewarding, it's not without its challenges. It's important to be aware of these potential pitfalls and to approach it with a clear understanding and realistic expectations. Stay tuned as we discuss ways to mitigate these risks in our upcoming scene. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how you can start using tactical arbitrage. The first step is to identify a product that's selling for less in one market than it is in another. You can use online tools or websites to help you with this. Once you've found a product, purchase it and then list it for sale in the higher-priced market. Remember, patience is key. It may take time for your product to sell. Next, ship the product to the buyer once it's sold. Successful arbitrage requires careful planning and execution, but with practice, it can become a lucrative endeavor. Here are a few tips to make your tactical arbitrage journey more successful. First, always research thoroughly before buying any product. Use available tools and services to analyze market trends and price fluctuations. Second, diversify your product range. This can help mitigate the risks associated with price changes. Lastly, consider the time and effort you'll need to invest. Make sure it aligns with your lifestyle and other commitments. And that's how you can start profiting from tactical arbitrage. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a methodical process that requires patience and diligence. Happy trading!